Okay, yes, guys, take off time. AB Dancers, Dancer Attractions, 55 metre Starflyer. Stratford upon Avon, down on the recreation grounds. Opening day today is the 5th of May. No, it's not. It's 27th of May and it's open to the 5th of June. I can remember going on this one down in Barry Island. Now you know me and Starflyers, I can't stand the things, but I will go on it. This one was manufactured in 2005 by an Austrian company called Funtime. Now, there's a bit of a breeze today as well, folks, so I know that I'm going to crap myself when I'm on that. So look out for the onride video. That should be a good comedy value. All I can say is that's a damn long way up and I ain't looking forward to it. Oh, thank God for that. It's only a short cycle. I mean, even that's oil. Right, AB Dancer Junior. Starflyer, City Starflyer, it says on the pay box. I might just rephrase that first word when I go on it. Right, keep your eyes open for that one. I'll see you in a bit.